welcome to WTV, where we have the sequel of the slime video we did like last year, right? Yeah. So here we have JJ with making glue for us, with slime glue things, yeah. And we've already poured the glue beforehand because that takes a bit. And a lot of the stuff we are going to be using is optional. You can just add the stuff right in and make slime. Like color, foam beads, lotion, shaving cream, and soap. So first, pour in your glue first, but we did that beforehand, so pour in the lotion.
Oh.
Get the lotion. Yeah. This makes the slime stretchy. I'm just gonna mix it all whenever I have it all in there, so. And shaving cream.
And add the baking soda to help activate it.
Yeah, we're using the baking soda and contact lens solution method safe for children. So if your kids want to make this, or if you're a kid and you're watching this, then yeah.
Oh no.
Work. This is normal, right?
Technical difficulties.
Okay, nope, we got it. We got it out finally. And then once you have everything you want to add in it, you can just start stirring it up. We are using popsicle sticks because we are cheap. Get in the glue.
And you can add like paint or food coloring to
And
color your
sparkles.
glue.
And sparkles. We got sparkles and glitter and iridescentness. Don't add too much. Don't add too much paint or it may come off on your hands, and that's not okay at all. Like on my thumb right here. Stupid paint.
And the colors turn out like a pretty color like that.
Unless you're mixing a bunch of different colors, then it may turn out a very ugly gray. But hey, stuff can fix that.
Like
Good day.
glitter.
Like glitter, yeah. Mixy, mixy, mixy. This is a very pretty one. Oh, no, never mind. Oh, never mind.
And you can add glitter to make it sparkly.
Pretty orange. Yeah, sparkles. And you can use clear glue is more better for sparkles unless you just want to make it look like it's beads. Tiny super beads in there. Speaking of beads, tiny beads you can add to the slime for a nice texture. Ooh, I forgot to add soap. I also need soap.
And it's to help it make
Bubbly.
bubbly.
Bubbles. Yay.
You keep getting bubbles rather than what you need.
Work. Okay. Bubbly. And there's actually two methods to making the slime, and you can use borax and water, which is the more dangerous version.
Dawson, may I have some beads, please?
The beads, yep, what size?
The big ones.
The bigger ones? Here you go, oops.
Thank you. Timber.
More shaving thing.
More timber.
There, more good. What did you do? And tip, if you want to add beads, you can put them in beforehand so they will stick to the slime better. Because the slime is all sticky before it's, keep the foam. And once you're done adding everything you want to have somewhat of this texture, only like fluffy cake batter. Yeah.
Will the cake better taste yummy?
Yeah.
Eat this.
Don't eat. Okay, there's another warning from Mackenzie. Don't eat the slime, it's toxic. Unless you're using, how many scoops of baking soda do you use?
One.
One? Okay. You just want to use one?
Half. Don't fill it all the way full.
You just want to use, oh, there's a hair in mine. Leave. Okay. Just want to use half a spoonful of baking soda. Okay. And you want to mix that in. And I think I may add beads to my tiny beads. Hey, let's mix it.
Once you get it all stored up, you can start activating it.
Yeah, with contact lens solution.
I want just a little bit of the little one.
A little bit? Okay.
Please.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Get in there.
Oh,
Oof.
jeez.
Alright. You good over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to make slime, at least put like a placement down somewhere. That way it's easier to clean up. And throw away if you make a huge mess. Oof.
I mean, like Dawson's doing right now.
Thanks for your commentary, Mackenzie. Thanks for doing that support.
And I think
It looks like packaging peanuts.
time to activate.
Now, if these beads on the side would get my slime, then maybe I can activate too.
Okay. And you don't want to add too much at a time.
Yeah, or else your slime will become very stiff and it won't stretch at all. And that's not fun to play with. Oof. Get your butt. And just add a little bit at a time and just add more. Oh. Just add more if it doesn't work out. Alex.
I'm starting to see that JJ's is starting to thicken up.
Thick.
Yep.
Juno's doing better than me.
Yep.
Mine's failing.
And it comes together like
Ooh, mine's coming
to
together
come
too.
together.
It looks like cheese balls, honestly. Mine does. Look, cheese balls. I was gonna name it like one. Here's another thing that you can do with slime, and it's fun. You can use your own creative little mind, noggin, and you can name them and stuff. Like, you can name them and be weird and label the container. Like, I was originally gonna name this one Orange Crush, like the soda, but nope, it looks like cheese puffs. That's even better. Okay, let's have a bit of. Let's have a few more beads, shall we? Sure. Can I have the tiny beads? Put your foot down somewhere. Thank you. Okay.
And they can stick to you.
Yeah. Beads may stick to you because they're stuck. And if you get any if you get anything on your hands, like paint, glue, or anything else, you can just wash it out off. Because glue is washable. And paint is too. And hopefully some other things. Let's just get these beads back in here. There we go. Runaway beads.
And when it gets on, when you think it,
When it's like
Good.
not sticking to the bowl, you can take it out and knead it. Or you can just keep on mixing. Keep on mixing, keep on mixing, keep on mixing, mixing. You can even put your finger
and
in
when
it.
we need it, that's what Aaliyah's here for.
You can't see her right now, she's out of the camera. This is actually the sequel to a previous video we did, so just reminding you all. Give up my popsicle stick. Get off me territory. Yours looks like chewed up bubble gum.
Yeah.
Are you gonna name it that?
Yeah.
Heck, you can even sell these. Ooh, putting it on the table is not a good idea.
Yeah. I have second thoughts about that.
If you wanna, probably use something like plastic to, use something more like plastic instead of paper like what we're using. Fail! Don't Don't do what JJ's doing.
Oh my gosh, why did I do this?
I think you might have to remake yours off camera.
Why did I do this?
I think mine's okay. But I think I might keep mine in the bowl to be smart. Because I actually kind of like this one. Sorry, dude.
Why do I like this?
You tried.
Do this?
You
Really
tried.
stretchy.
Did you add too much lotion?
No, I don't think so.
It's mixing thing. I forgot to roll up my sleeves, but
I need
no
some
one.
activator on my hands, please.
Jake, do your job, Lee.
That's enough. Thank you.
Mine's starting to come together like jelly.
Like-
Yeah.
Or even
Cheese and toast. That's the thing. I think I always add a little bit too much activator in mine, but hey, like, good job, let's keep the activator over there for JJ. Did you get most of it off the table?
Yeah.
Oh, now it just looks like blown up guts. Yummy!
Activator, please.
Activate core. I probably should have rolled up my sleeves.
Nope.
To be smart. JJ's wearing short sleeves. He's like this.
But I took off my coat. What?
She always wears the coat. I'm adding more beads, because too much beads is never enough beads. Activate one.
Hey, when you show it after. What it looks like after.
Oh, yeah, okay. And Aaliyah here has slimes showing the aftermath. I'll do it. Here, just leave that one on the lid. Oh, no, okay. And these are the aftermath of what you should get as your results. And we're unfortunately out of time and we need to wrap it up. So thank you all for watching and hopefully our slimes worked out okay. And JJ's and mine, which is still, yeah.
needs
But-
more activator.
Yeah. Thank you for watching and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.